Welcome back to Apple Insider, the place where technology meets storytelling. Today we're diving into a phone that needs no introduction, but one that has been reimagined for the modern age. The Nokia 1100 4G is more than just nostalgia, it's a statement. It's a reminder that simplicity can be powerful, reliability can be revolutionary, and sometimes, less really is more. For years, the original Nokia 1100 was the phone of the people. It was durable, affordable, and built like a tank. Now, in a world filled with high-end glass slabs and complicated ecosystems, Nokia is giving this legend a second life with modern connectivity and subtle refinements. So let's break it down and see if the Nokia 1100 4G deserves a place in today's fast-paced digital world. Number 1. Design and build quality. The Nokia 1100 4G immediately strikes you with familiarity. Its design philosophy remains rooted in the simplicity that made the original such a global phenomenon. The body is crafted from durable polycarbonate material, giving it both lightweight handling and impressive resistance to daily wear and tear. This phone doesn't scream luxury with glass backs or aluminum frames, but that's not its intention. It wants to be the workhorse device that never lets you down. Nokia has carefully refined the ergonomics, ensuring the curved edges sit naturally in the palm, making long calls or text sessions surprisingly comfortable. Buttons are tactile and responsive, with a reassuring click that feels far more satisfying than the mushy keys of cheaper alternatives. Every detail speaks to durability, from the tight build with no creaks to the dust-resistant shell. It's a phone designed not just to survive but to thrive in conditions where many modern devices would hesitate. Farmers, workers in harsh environments, or simply anyone tired of fragile glass phones will find comfort here. The build exudes confidence, and while it won't turn heads like a flagship, it wins your trust in silence. Number 2. The display. Keeping in line with its philosophy, the Nokia 1100 4G opts for a compact, energy-efficient display. It's small compared to today's giant smartphones, but perfectly adequate for its purpose. Nokia has integrated a color screen that is brighter, sharper, and far more legible in direct sunlight than its predecessors. This is a huge win for those who often work outdoors or simply want instant clarity when glancing at their phone. The screen does not overwhelm with resolution or pixel density, but it's tailored to fit the user experience of calls, texts, and light apps. The limited size ensures efficiency and focus. Instead of distractions, you get a display that tells you what you need to know, when you need to know it. Notifications are clear, menus are simple, and text is easy to read. While it may not support videos in the way a smartphone does, it supports the essentials flawlessly. Sometimes clarity is more valuable than spectacle, and the Nokia 1100 4G's display is a testament to that principle. Number 3. Performance. Simplicity doesn't have to mean sluggishness. Nokia has equipped the 1100 4G with a capable chipset optimized for lightweight tasks. The inclusion of 4G ensures that calls connect faster, voice clarity is sharper, and even basic internet browsing feels snappy compared to older 2G or 3G handsets. This is the core of the update, modern connectivity in a classic shell. The interface runs smoothly, with zero lag when navigating menus, typing messages, or launching basic apps like the calculator, calendar, or even basic web tools. While it won't compete with a smartphone's ability to run heavy apps or games, that isn't the point here. The phone is engineered for speed where it matters, instant dial-ups, quick texting, and stable connectivity. It eliminates the bloat and focuses purely on function. Whether you're using it as a main device for simple communication or as a backup phone for emergencies, the performance is rock solid. Number 4. Camera. This is where the Nokia 1100 4G takes a minimal approach. Unlike modern smartphones obsessed with multi-lens setups and endless megapixels, the camera here is functional but modest. It captures basic photos, good enough for quick snaps or reminders, but this isn't a phone you buy for photography. That being said, it's impressive that a device designed for simplicity still manages to offer a usable camera for casual needs. If you need to save an image of a receipt, capture a quick note, or send a simple picture over messaging apps, the Nokia 1100 4G covers that base. It's not about artistry, it's about utility, and in that space, the camera does its job competently. Number 5. Battery life. Here lies one of the Nokia 1100 4G's strongest selling points. Where smartphones are lucky to last a day with heavy use, this device pushes multiple days on a single charge. The efficiency of its lightweight software and compact display, combined with the large capacity relative to its power draw, makes it a true battery champion. For travelers, workers on the go, or anyone who values reliability, this is a godsend. Imagine leaving your charger at home and still making it through the week without anxiety. That's the promise of the Nokia 1100 4G. Standby times stretch into weeks, and active use comfortably lasts several days. This isn't just convenient, it's liberating. It frees you from the daily ritual of charging and reminds us what phones used to be, tools that worked when you needed them, without compromise. Number 6. Software and features. The software is intentionally lean, designed to keep distractions away while still offering essentials. The user interface is clean, intuitive, and familiar to anyone who's ever used a feature phone. Nokia has smartly integrated 4G LTE calling, support for essential apps, and even some lightweight entertainment options. It brings back beloved classics like Snake, reminding users of the charm of simpler times. Yet it also adapts to modern needs with options like internet browsing, voice over LTE, and secure messaging. The balance between nostalgia and necessity is well struck. You get a phone that doesn't feel outdated, but it also doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features. Everything here has purpose. Everything here is built to support communication first and foremost. Number 7. Value for money. Perhaps the most compelling argument for the Nokia 1100 4G is its affordability. It costs a fraction of modern smartphones, yet it provides durability, reliability, and peace of mind that few devices can match. For parents looking for a first phone for their kids, for seniors who prefer simplicity, or for professionals who need a backup device that won't fail them, this phone is a perfect fit. Its value lies not just in its price tag, but in the confidence it inspires. It's not flashy, it doesn't demand constant updates, and it doesn't lose relevance after a year. It simply works. And in a time when technology often feels overly complicated and expensive, that's priceless. In conclusion, the Nokia 1100 4G is more than a phone. It's a philosophy brought to life. It rejects the race for excess and focuses on the fundamentals that matter most: durability, connectivity, reliability, and battery life. It's a tool that empowers people, not a gadget that distracts them. And while it may not replace your flagship smartphone, it offers something equally valuable: a dependable companion that stands strong where others falter. Whether you're looking for a main device to stay connected without the clutter, or a backup phone that won't quit on you, the Nokia 1100 4G makes a compelling case. At Apple Insider, we believe this phone isn't just a throwback, it's a reminder of what technology should always aim to do: make life simpler, not more complicated. If you're tired of charging every night, if you're tired of fragile designs, if you're tired of phones that demand more than they give, the Nokia 1100 4G might just be the refreshingly simple answer you've been waiting for. This is Apple Insider, and that was our review of the Nokia 1100 4G. Stay connected, stay curious, and as always, thanks for watching.